Welcome to my kitchen. Say goodbye to bland meals. This homemade Curry Madras spice mix gives your dishes a delicious kick. Making your own spice mix is tasty and budget friendly. You probably already have a lot of these spices in your cupboard. Just mix and you're done. You need cumin, black pepper, fennel seeds, cardamom, coriander, cinnamon, turmeric, chili powder, ginger powder, white pepper, nutmeg, mustard seeds and cloves. Throw everything together and stir well. Can you smell it already? This is going to be amazing. A perfect mix in just 10 seconds. Do you prefer something spicier? Add extra chili powder. Store your mix in a clean jar, which will last for months. Use a teaspoon in curries, chicken or even yogurt dip. It's easy, delicious and totally your taste. Try it and let me know what you think. Save it and share it with a spice lover.